The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on StarBoard's transparency option. Transparency option feature allows you to toggle between the StarBoard and your desktop seamlessly. Here is how you can use it. First, navigate to the settings option either on the toolbar or on the StarBoard software menu. Then, select Preferences. After that, go to Annotation. Once there, choose the Write on Desktop option and click OK. Now, you can start toggling back and forth between the StarBoard and your desktop using the mouse icon. This makes it easy to reference any files or websites you need for your presentation without having to switch between multiple windows. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.